Welcome to SalesCaptain. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to invite team members and set their permissions. Let's get started. Let's jump right in. Head over to your dashboard settings under Manage User and select All Users to see everyone on your team listed out with their name, email, role, and current status. Now click the Add User button up in the top right corner, and you'll see an invitation modal pop up with fields for their email, first name, last name, and phone number. Go ahead and type in your team member's first and last name, as well as their phone and email address in the fields provided. Click Next to move on to Role Assignments and Permissions, where you can set their role as a user, administrator, or owner, and assign them to a specific profile from the drop-down. From here, choose which inboxes they should have access to and toggle on the specific SalesCaptain applications that are relevant to their workflow. Then hit Save to lock everything in. Once you press Save, copy or take a screenshot of the password on screen. If you ever need to update someone's access, just click the Edit button on an existing team member's row to open up their profile detail panel where you can make changes. Back on the team list view, you'll also notice a Delete button next to each team member. That's how you can quickly remove someone from your account if they no longer need access. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.